What is this ultra shiny gel that's on everyone's work all over Instagram? They swipe it over their tattoos and their brows and it looks so cool. No more gatekeeping, introducing Reveal Gel. This is the product you need to capture those eye-catching videos and photos of your tiny tattoos and your permanent makeup work. It stops my scroll every single time I see someone use it. Okay, so first up in this video, we're gonna be talking about swipe sticks. So we designed swipe sticks specifically for creating really captivating content. These clear acrylic sticks are kind of my secret weapon when it comes to creating content and stopping people's scrolls. So they come in a pack of 50. Of course, they're single use. Okay, so you're gonna notice a difference here. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the package versus what you're gonna be using. They come with a clear film on them, so you do have to peel that off, and that is so there's no fingerprints. It's completely transparent, and as you're swiping with it, you can see all of your beautiful work underneath. I'm sure you guys have seen other people's videos where they're using like popsicle sticks, like wood popsicle sticks. It does not have the same effect. Don't even waste your time. Now the star of the show, this is Reveal Gel. All right, let's talk about our star. It's Reveal Gel. It's not a gel, it's literally a revolution. It's got a thick consistency. It glides really effortlessly over tiny tattoos. I love it for areola tattoos, for brows. And the two major ingredients inside of the formula are castor oil and aloe vera, which are both fantastic for tattoo healing and nourishing your skin. Okay, pro tip, you guys have to keep your Reveal Gel in the fridge. Okay, you don't have to, but it's that added cooling sensation. So when you apply it onto your clients, it literally, they're like, feels so nice. Reveal Gel also gives that really nice glow, a little bit of a shine to the skin, making your work Instagram worthy instantly. Quick disclaimer, although there are some really nice healing components to the ingredients that we've chosen, that's not the point of this product. The whole purpose of Reveal Gel and swipe sticks is to grab really eye-catching content, and we're gonna show you exactly how to do that next. Okay guys, so this is a healed tattoo here, but I'm going to use it to show you how we use the Reveal Gel. It's really straightforward, honestly, but basically you wanna open it up. There's two options depending on how big the tattoo is. So number one, actually I'll show you on this little bumblebee too. So number one, you're gonna take your Reveal Gel and you're going to put some on the swipe stick itself. You wanna put a lot of product on here, even for such a small tattoo. You're gonna make sure your camera is either on a tripod or you're holding it or you have someone holding it. And you're going to place the product like so, and you're just going to very gently, but you're not gonna push it, you're gonna glide it over. So you don't wanna push the stick hard on the skin, you still want the gel to lay thick like that. Okay, and then you can practice it, but you can collect it again if that shot didn't work and do it again. And get creative with your swipes because those are the little reels that go viral. Okay, option number two, when you have a bigger tattoo, is you can carefully apply Reveal Gel. Don't touch the skin with it, but apply a big blob of it right on top of the tattoo. Now, the more you apply, the better. You don't want it to be too thin of a layer. Then again, really light pressure, you're just gonna swipe this over the tattoo slowly and then swipe away. If I push too hard with it, it actually removes it from the skin. So you wanna make sure it's just a light glide so that you still see that gel. Now here I'm gonna show you some close-up shots and I'm gonna show you with the macro lens what it looks like. So this shot right here is with the macro lens. You can see you get all of those details. It's really, really pretty with the macro lens. And then here's one that's just shot a little bit further away and not with the macro lens. So this is just a regular lens of your camera. And you can see the difference of the two shots and how pretty they both look. So if you've got one tattoo, there's no reason that you can't be shooting it with both angles. So one with the macro and one without. I'm telling you, like a 3-second reel of you swiping Reveal Gel on a tattoo. 3 seconds, that's it. Post it, it will work. I want to see your mesmerizing content. I want to see your areolas. I want to see your brows. I want to see your tiny tattoos using Reveal Gel. You guys can do this. I know you can.